you guys support me even though we are up and down. Yeah, thank you. It's a mixed feelings, you know. I'm happy, proud to my team, and a bit sad also because we should win in game 2 and game 3, but yeah, that's part of the game and part of life. Sometimes we do mistake in game also and decision making. Yeah, there's a lot I want to do with this money also. I think I just want to invest more. Yeah. Now I have investment also in business. Yeah, I think I will just invest. Maybe I want to spoil my siblings and my parents also. Yeah, that's all. And especially yeah me also. There's a lot of supporters, especially Malaysian family, my girlfriend, you guys, media, and yeah, there's a lot. Even YB also. He came from all the way to Malaysia. Yeah, I think that one we really appreciate you guys the way you. Next plan, I still don't know. Let's see. Yeah.